boys and girls. The last time we were together, we learned about two-dimensional shapes. We talked about all these shapes and we described them, we named them, we identified them, and we also learned that these shapes are called two-dimensional shapes because they are flat. Hello, boys and girls. I want to begin today's math lesson by showing you these two shapes. I want you to take a look at these shapes and tell me what you notice is different about these shapes. Yes, that's right. This square is a flat shape. And we can put it there because it is a flat shape. It is a two-dimensional shape. All we can see is this flat surface. Now, I want you to take a look at this shape. This shape, boys and girls, is different than this shape. If we turn it around, we can see that this shape has sides that are sticking out. This shape also takes up space. This, boys and girls, is called a cube. This cube is a three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional shapes are shapes that we can see all the sides, and they're sticking out. I'm going to take this title here, three-dimensional shapes, so that you can remember that's what we're going to be talking about today. And I'm going to show you the three-dimensional shapes. So let's take a look first at this one here. And I just showed it to you a second ago. Okay, I'm going to bring it up close so you can see that. This shape, my friends, is called a cube. Can you say cube? Good job. I want you to take a look at the word cube so that you can learn to recognize it when you see it. There it is, cube. And cube begins with what letter? That's right, the letter C. So that shape is a cube. Next, I'm going to show you this shape. Does anybody know what it's called? Well, yeah, it looks like a ball, but this shape is called a sphere. Can you say sphere? This is the word sphere. Now, take a good close look so that when you see this word, you're able to recognize it. Sphere. This is a sphere. Next, I'm going to show you this 3D shape. This shape, boys and girls, is called a cylinder. Can you say cylinder? Yes, that's right, cylinder. This shape is a cylinder, and here's the word cylinder. Next, boys and girls, I'm going to show you this shape. This shape is called a cone. Can you say cone? Good job. Now I want to show you the word cone again so that you can recognize it when you see it. Cone. Very good. Next, I want to show you this shape. This shape, my friends, is called the rectangular prism. Can you say that? Rectangular prism. Very good. Now, I'm going to show you the words again for rectangular prism so that you are able to recognize it when you see it. Next, boys and girls, I'm going to show you this shape. I'm going to bring it up close so that you can see it. Okay. This shape, my friends, is called a pyramid. Can you say pyramid? That's right, pyramid. And here's the word pyramid. Pyramid. Now, we're going to be learning a lot more about these shapes during this week. So I want us to repeat the names of these shapes one more time so that we can remember when we're going through the lessons. Cube, echo. Sphere, echo. Cylinder, echo. Cone, echo. Rectangular prism, echo. Pyramid, echo. Very good, class. Now, I want you to remember that all of these shapes are shapes that we see all around the world. I want you to take a look at my first object. This is my first object here. This object, boys and girls, is called a traffic cone. Can you say traffic cone? Good job. A traffic cone is sometimes used to show a car where it needs to go, or maybe sometimes it's used to show people where they need to go. Now, we use this during PE. I know you recognize these cones during PE. So this, my friends, is a traffic cone. That's what we call it. So what shape do you think this traffic cone is like? Yes, that's right. It's shaped like a cone. Very good. Now, I also found this object in my house. This is a can of chili beans. So, boys and girls, this can is shaped like what 3D shape? Yes, that's right. It's shaped like a cylinder. Very good, a cylinder. Next, I found this object. It's a tiny object. But do you know what shape this object is? Yes, that's right. This is a cube. Cube. This, my friends, is a die. We use it when we're going to play a game, and you've seen this tool in math. We use that a lot during our math lessons. Next, my friends, I found this object. Do you know what this object is? That's right. This object is a tennis ball. This tennis ball is shaped like what 3D shape, boys and girls? That's right. It is a sphere. Sphere. So this tennis ball is shaped like a sphere. Next, boys and girls, I found this object. This object, boys and girls, is a box. Do you know what shape this box is like? Yes, that's right. This box is shaped like a rectangular prism. Good job, boys and girls. We're going to continue seeing more objects that are shaped like these three-dimensional shapes. So I want you to take the time to look at your house and see if you can find some things around your house that are shaped like these three-dimensional shapes. We're going to be learning a lot about these shapes during this coming week in our math lessons. So I want us to read the words one more time so that we can remember when we're going through our lessons. So I will read and you will echo. Cube, sphere, cylinder, cone, rectangular prism, pyramid. Good job, boys and girls. See you next time.